Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to back up and restore Gmail emails step by step. Backing up your emails is essential to prevent data loss, and restoring them ensures you always have access to important messages. This full guide for 2026 will help you manage Gmail safely and efficiently. First, use Google Takeout to back up Gmail. Go to takeout.google.com, select Gmail, choose the format, and download your archive. You can also back up important emails to Google Drive by opening the email, clicking the Drive icon, and saving it to a folder. Another option is using a local email client like Outlook or Thunderbird with IMAP to sync emails and store them on your computer. To restore emails from Google Takeout, import the MBOX file into an email client and move them back to Gmail if needed. Emails deleted within 30 days can be restored directly from Gmail trash. Regularly back up your Gmail monthly or quarterly to avoid data loss. For large accounts, split backups by labels or date ranges to make restoration easier. Finally, secure your backups using encrypted drives, cloud storage with strong passwords, or password protected folders. Yeah, protecting backups is just as important as protecting your Gmail account. And yeah, that's how to back up and restore Gmail emails step by step in 2026. If this helped you safeguard your emails, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.